Hey Brittany, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I got permission from Riley to shoot you over this video about how you can increase your online presence. So just taking a look at your website, really nice site, gonna be honest. Um, you got a nice header, you got your logo, got a click to call, got all your different services, got what you're all about, and of course, you're a one man. You do the hardwood flooring and you specialize in it, which is awesome, residential or commercial. Um, of course, you got your own showroom. You got what's like why you, and of course, some great reviews. And then you have the get in contact with us. So all around, really nice. I'm not seeing like a ton of content. I know you have probably around a good 750 words, so more than most. But what Google is truly looking for nowadays is about 1,500, 2,000 words. The reason for that being is so that you can organically place keywords throughout your site. Now, what a keyword is any buyer intent word someone's putting into Google to find your specific service. So before we get deeper into that, let's check behind the scenes, see what's going on with your website. So way we do that, a system called Ahrefs. So we put in your site name or your site domain, a+hardwoods.com, and out pops your ranking. So two things we focus on are the UR rating, which is the strength of your site, and the DR rating, which is the trust of your website. Now, ideally, we want both of these between 30 to 40 with a ratio of 1 to 1. That's what we call the golden ratio. But what you are doing really well, and how you get this ratio up is with backlinks. Now, you have over almost 10,000 different backlinks, which is awesome. What a backlink is any link that leads from another site back to yours. But not all backlinks are created equal. So it is quality over quantity. For example, if you have like 1,000 backlinks from Wikipedia, that will be awful because Wikipedia is a super spammy site. However, if you have that many backlinks from a distinguished flooring blog, that will be awesome because that's relevant to your service. And then, of course, those organic keywords. What buyer intent words are you ranking for? Now, I know you have 5,000 of them. However, we're going to put it down to the ones that actually are to your area, which is Denver. So, Hardwood Floors, Denver, awesome, 350. You're in the top 3. Awesome. I wouldn't change that for the world. Hardwood Denver, this one's going to be one hard to rank for because there's a place called Hardwood Denver, Hardwood Denver, but you're still getting a lot of traffic from that, even though you're on the bottom of the front page. Wood flooring, great. So as far as hardwood floors go, you are ranking first page, low first page for a lot of them, but you are still missing some keywords that you can get some more traffic through your site. But great job on the hardwood flooring. So let's check out this guy. Hardwood Denver. That one had that 600. So first things, you're going to have your G&B. Now, the Google Map Pack is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here, pick one of these guys. That's just the easiest thing to do. And then, of course, you're going to have your top, your organic rankings, which this is going to be your top competitor because they have the strongest site. So let's check them out. So Denver Hardwood. Now, they have a site pretty similar. They have all their drop down menus, and then of course explaining all about them, their different residential, commercial, and what they do. So they have about the same amount of content as well, maybe a little less. So it's great that you beat them out there. But let's check behind the scenes and see why they're doing that well. Now, we put them in, as you can see, they have a strength of 35 and a trust of 27. They're almost perfect with that golden ratio. Now, they might have less backlinks, but as I said before, it's quality over quantity. So it seems their backlinks are more powerful than yours, so that's why they're ranking higher. Now, they also have almost 5,000 organic keywords, but let's check them out, put them down to Denver. So Denver Hardwood, Hardwood Denver, Denver Hardwoods, as you can see, they're also competing for those first real positions. But what they're also competing for is the regular Denver flooring. So Denver flooring or flooring Denver, as you can see, those have the top. They have 800 searches, and that's a very generic search that if someone's looking for flooring. And as you can see, even though they're in the 10th and 14th spot, they're still getting traffic. So if you want to build up, you can always go for those as well to help build even more um, traffic to your site, because the more the merrier. Now, we're looking to beat them out. We're looking to, of course, continue staying strong and, of course, get stronger. So, first things first, you got to get more, better quality backlinks. Now, great thing is, you know that these 3,000 are great because, of course, they're outranking you with those 3K or 3.5K. So, take them. You can use them, put them in your site, mix them with yours, and you'll get an even stronger site. And then, of course, you already have a lot of keywords put around your site. Add a little bit more content so you can add those better generic flooring Denver keywords, and that'll help gain more traffic as well as it'll help you rank for better and more relevant keywords for your area. Do that, put them both together, you should start seeing more buyer intent traffic coming to your site, and of course, more calls through your site. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, Brittany, just give me a call. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.